In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a course on Udemy. Whether you're looking to upskill in your profession, dive into a new hobby, or just learn something new, Udemy offers a vast selection of courses that might be perfect for you. To start, you'll need to log into Udemy. Head over to udemy.com and sign in using your existing account. If you're new to Udemy, you'll need to create an account first by following their simple registration process. It's straightforward and shouldn't take more than a few minutes. Once you're logged in, it's time to find a course that piques your interest. You can use the search bar at the top of the page to look for something specific, or you might want to browse through the various categories Udemy offers. Take your time to explore and see what's available. After all, there's a wide array of choices, from tech courses to personal development and everything in between. When you find a course that catches your eye, click on it to get to the course landing page. Here, you'll find all the details you need to make an informed decision. You'll see the course price, a thorough overview of what will be covered, a look at the curriculum, and real student reviews. There is also information about the instructor to give you a sense of who will be teaching you. This page should give you a comprehensive understanding of what the course entails. If you're ready to commit to the course, you have two options. Click Buy Now to purchase immediately, or choose Add to Cart if you plan to buy multiple courses. Adding courses to your cart allows you to keep browsing and complete your purchases all at once. It's worth noting that you can have up to 50 courses in your cart at any given time, so feel free to shop around. If you've decided to buy now, you'll be taken straight to the checkout or payment page. However, if you've added courses to your cart, access your cart by clicking the shopping cart icon at the top right corner of the page and proceed with either Go to Cart or Checkout. Here, you might have an opportunity to enter coupon codes. Udemy often applies valid discounts automatically, but you can manually input any codes you have as well. Now it's time to select your payment method. Udemy provides various options depending on your country, including credit or debit cards like Visa or MasterCard and PayPal. There might be other local payment choices as well, depending on where you are. Make sure to fill in the necessary details like your card number, expiry date, CVV, and billing address carefully. Before finalizing, review the order thoroughly. Double-check the final price after discounts, if any, and ensure all payment details are correct. Confirm any terms or check the required boxes, and when you're satisfied, click Buy Now or Complete Purchase to finalize your order. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide on purchasing a course on Udemy. Enjoy your learning journey.